What if I told you that just 6 exercises could keep you strong, pain-free, and full of energy as you get older? No need for complicated routines or expensive equipment. Just these simple moves will help you feel more youthful, energized, and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Stick with me because these exercises are your key to staying active and mobile for years to come. If you think squats are bad for your knees, think again. The goblet squat is actually one of the best exercises to protect your joints, build lower body strength, and keep your metabolism high as you age. In fact, if you're over 40, this might just be the most important leg exercise you can do. As we get older, we naturally start losing muscle, a process called sarcopenia, which slows down metabolism and makes everyday movements harder. But the goblet squat helps fight that by strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, the muscles responsible for stability and power. Plus, it improves mobility in your hips, knees, and ankles, keeping you agile and pain-free. The form? Simple, but crucial. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest, keeping your elbows in. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower yourself into a squat, keeping your chest up and back straight. Your elbows should stay inside your knees at the bottom. Then, push through your heels to return to standing. Start light, focus on perfect form, and increase the weight as you get stronger. Master this move and your legs will feel stronger, more stable, and ready for anything. You're probably overlooking one of the most powerful anti-aging exercises out there. It requires no equipment, takes just seconds to do, and can stop muscle loss in its tracks. Yet most people either ignore it or do it wrong. I'm talking about push-ups, the ultimate strength and posture fix after 40. Most people think push-ups are just a basic exercise, but after 40, they're a game changer. Skip them, and you risk losing the strength that keeps your upper body functional, powerful, and pain-free. Push-ups do more than build muscle. They protect you from the slow decline that weakens your chest, shoulders, and arms over time. They improve posture, prevent rounded shoulders, and keep your core rock solid. Every rep reinforces the strength you need for everyday movements, pushing, lifting, even standing tall with confidence. Start in a high plank, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line, no sagging, no arching. Lower your chest until it nearly touches the floor, then push back up, keeping your core tight. Master this, and your shoulders won't just stay strong. They'll stay pain-free for decades. Don't go anywhere. At the end, I'll give you the full weekly workout plan so you know exactly what to do and when. Stick around, because this is where it all comes together. Ignore this exercise, and your legs will remind you. Every step, every climb, every time you try to move like you used to. Lunges aren't just another leg exercise. They're your defense against weak, unstable legs that struggle with stairs, balance, and even simple daily tasks. After 40, muscle loss and stiffness creep in fast, especially if you spend hours sitting. Lunges keep your legs strong, your hips mobile, and your balance sharp, reducing your risk of falls and injuries. Step forward with purpose, planting your foot firmly as you lower your body under control. Your back knee should hover just above the ground, not slam into it. Keep your chest lifted, your gaze forward, and your core braced to maintain perfect alignment. Your front leg does the work, pushing through the heel to drive you back to a standing position. Every rep strengthens the muscles that keep you moving effortlessly. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core all working together to stabilize you. But here's the thing. This isn't just about building strength. Lunges improve balance, coordination, and flexibility, protecting you from the stiffness and instability that creep in after 40. Skip them, and you'll feel it when simple movements, like climbing stairs or catching yourself from a stumble, start to feel harder than they should. Train your legs now, or regret it later. The choice is yours. Imagine this. You're holding on to something heavy, but your grip starts slipping. That's the moment you realize how important grip strength really is. And after 40, losing it isn't just frustrating. It's a warning sign. Weak grip equals weaker muscles, poor posture, and even a higher risk of falls. But here's the fix: dead hangs. Just grab a pull-up bar, hang with your shoulders engaged, and let gravity do the work. Sounds simple? It is. But don't underestimate it. This move strengthens your hands, forearms, shoulders, and core all at once. It even decompresses your spine, improving posture and reducing tension built up from years of sitting. If hanging isn't an option, the farmer's carry is just as powerful. Pick up heavy weights, keep your core tight, and walk. Every step forces your body to stabilize, improving endurance, grip, and overall strength. Neglect this, and basic tasks, opening jars, carrying groceries, even maintaining good posture, become harder with age. But train your grip now, and you'll stay stronger, longer. Because here's the truth: if your grip goes, everything else follows. Don't go anywhere. At the end, I'll give you the full weekly workout plan so you know exactly what to do and when. Stick around, because this is where it all comes together. You might think strength fades with age, but what if I told you there's a way to stay powerful, lean, and athletic well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond? Enter the kettlebell swing, a single movement that torches fat, builds explosive power, and skyrockets endurance. If you're looking for one exercise that delivers maximum results with minimal time, this is it. Unlike slow, grinding exercises, the swing forces your body to generate power fast. It all starts at the hips. Hinge back, drive forward, and let the kettlebell float up. Your arms? They're just passengers. The real work happens in your glutes, hamstrings, and core, turning you into a powerhouse of strength and stability. And the best part? Every rep mimics the kind of strength you need in real life. Lifting, running, bending, and even standing tall with confidence. But here's the catch. Most people get it wrong. They squat instead of hinge, use their arms instead of their hips, and miss out on the true benefits. Done right, the kettlebell swing isn't just a workout. It's a game changer for longevity, posture, and heart health. It keeps your metabolism high, strengthens your back, and improves overall mobility, making daily movements feel easier. Imagine this: you're carrying groceries, bending to tie your shoes, or reaching for something on a high shelf. Seems simple, right? But without a strong core, even these everyday movements can become a struggle. That's where the plank comes in. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it's one of the most powerful exercises you can do, especially after 40. A strong core isn't just about six-pack abs. It's about keeping your spine stable, preventing back pain, and ensuring your entire body moves as one solid unit. The plank forces your deep core muscles, shoulders, and even legs to work together, creating real-world strength that protects you from injuries and poor posture. The secret? Perfect form! Rest on your forearms, keep your body in a straight line, and engage your core like you're bracing for a punch. No sagging hips, no arched back, just pure controlled tension. Skip this, and your core weakens, leaving you vulnerable to aches, imbalances, and a hunched-over posture that screams aging. But master it, and you'll stand taller, move better, and feel stronger in everything you do. It's not just an exercise, it's the foundation of a body that stays resilient for life. All right, you've made it this far, so here it is. The complete weekly workout plan designed to keep you strong, mobile, and pain-free after 40. Monday, start with goblet squats, push-ups, and plank. Build strength, protect your joints, and reinforce your core. Solid foundation, solid body. Wednesday, focus on lunges, kettlebell swings, and dead hangs. Improve balance, mobility, and endurance. Move better, stay sharp, and keep your body resilient. Friday, the full routine, all 6 exercises back to back. Strength, power, mobility. Everything in one session. Push yourself, stay consistent, and keep getting stronger. Keep your reps between 8 to 12%. Aim for 3 sets per exercise and take rest days in between to allow proper recovery. Adjust the intensity based on your fitness level, but don't skip the fundamentals. This isn't just a workout. It's a plan to keep you moving better, feeling stronger, and staying active for years to come. Stick with it, and your future self will thank you. Try this for a few weeks, and you'll feel stronger, more mobile, and energized. Let me know in the comments which exercise is your favorite, and check out my other videos for more workouts.